Hi everyone, it's me Maribel. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install our decoflair and direct lighting profiles so you can give your rooms that little upgrade and feel at home. In this tutorial I will prepare you to handle all situations by explaining how to deal with the three installation possibilities. We will take a look at how to tackle an inside corner, an outside corner, and of course how to apply the lighting profiles on a regular wall. To install your chair rails you are going to need a mitre box, a folding rule, a pencil, a sponge, some sanding paper, a painter's spatula, a glue gun, some decoflair glue, a spirit level and a saw. Start off by checking if the installation surfaces are clean, dry, dust-free, grease-free and smooth. It's up to you to choose how far you want your lighting profile to be from the ceiling. The higher your ceiling is, the wider the space between your profile and the ceiling can be. I recommend a minimum gap of 10 centimeters. Use a spirit level to trace a line marking the inferior edge of the profile on the wall. Then mark the cut orientation of the left interior angle on the profile. It's really important to position your mitre box correctly. Place the side of the box with the three parallel lines facing you. This side represents the wall and the other one the ceiling. To cut high-density polymer extruded profiles, use a large tooth saw. Align the pencil line on the profile with the appropriate mitre box cut and saw gently. Check that the angle you cut actually corresponds to an interior corner. If necessary, lightly sand the cut profile with 150 grit sandpaper or finer to make the edges as smooth as possible. Now I need the decoflair fixing glue. First I need to cut off this top part of the glue cartridge, then I have to screw the nozzle onto it and cut the end off. Finally I can place the cartridge into the glue gun and really get going. Apply a continuous strip of glue on both bonding surfaces on the back side of the profile, then fix it immediately on the wall. Place the inferior edge of your profile on your pencil mark and apply light pressure with your fingertips. Then remove any excess glue with a spatula or a damp sponge. Now repeat the same process for the exterior angle. Let's just check if everything is all right. Yep, this looks good. So that was it for inward and outward corners. It's obviously a lot easier on a straight wall. Measure the length you will need for your corners to reach the wall, but don't forget to keep the 3 mm gap for the glue in mind. After that, you know how the rest goes. Saw your corners, adjust and clean the edges, apply the glue and stick it to the wall. After a resting time of at least 4 to 6 hours, I can fill the wall and mitre joints with the decoflair glue. You can repeat these steps if you wish, but you don't have to. We're almost done. I'm going to let the joints dry out and then we will move on to the painting. The next day, the lighting profiles have to be coated with diluted emulsion paint, preferably twice for optimal result. All that is left to do now is fixing the LED lights on the profile. For the connection to your power and electricity source, we recommend you ask the assistance of an electrician. If you feel like taking your rooms to the next level, you'll find lots of other tutorials on our channel. These include videos on how to install skirtings, panel moldings, wall frames or cornices, among others. If you're looking for more inspiration and decorating ideas with the decoflair, go to our Instagram account and hit that follow button. Have fun with decoflair, feel at home. Yours truly, Maribel.